RBI today in a surprise move has increased the repo rate, and this time at 25 basis points. It goes and hits 8%. This is indeed the breaking news on the show today, because interest rates across the board could rise and impact your consumer, home loans and what have you. The repo rate going up by 8% has actually meant that interest rate hike could well be possible, and most of the banks widely expect that to happen as the RBI increases the repo rate. What's also come up very clearly from India's largest bank, SBI, is that they will be reviewing deposit lending rates in the next 48 hours, which is 13th of June. We will hear something from them on this issue. ICICI Bank, which is India's largest private sector bank, says the liquidity situation to them appears neutral, but they decide on the rate hike shortly. HDFC, India's largest housing loan corporation, says they expect to decide the revision in first week of July.
Shabani Barai is standing by to tell us a bit more. Shabani, obviously loans will get more expensive, but not a single bank was committed to say how they are going to tackle the interest rate situation. It does give them a bit of a room, but clearly there is pressure on the system. We will see more and more tightness in liquidity.
Absolutely, Sharnaaz. If you actually look at it, RBI has taken a step just to tame in inflation, but it's coming at a headwind and a pressure point, and that is going to be significant when it comes to banking players. We did speak to a host of them, and Shelley did speak out and actually mention all of them. So mostly in consensus, all of them are going to be reviewing their lending rates going forward. That is going to be expected, and once SBI does it, we're really going to see a spree of revisions coming in. But if I just break down into simple formats as to what has happened currently, it is going to be a no-brainer, because we are going to see cost of funds actually rising, especially when we are going to see advanced tax payout happening, because the repo rate hike of about 25 bips means short-term lending gets dearer for the banks. With short-term lending getting dearer for the banks at June 15, when advanced tax payouts is going to happen, and also deposits at a time when they're actually showing some signs of slowdown. So they're going to be pretty much in a cash-tight situation when it comes to giving out money in terms of deposit lending. That's going to be a headwind coming in for the banks, and there are going to be other issues that need to be tackled, because if you actually look at the difference, and if you look at the gap between reverse repo as well as the repo, which is going to actually rise to about 200 basis point, which is really not the trends internationally, even domestically, that is going to put margin pressures coming in, especially for private banks, because most of the domestic and even the PSUs are pretty comfortably positioned when it comes to PLR lending at about 12 to 13%. Back to you.